Hey guys, Janik here for Cinecom.net, and today we are recreating 3 effects from Travis Scott's newest music video, Franchise. But no small talk, let's fire it up! The first effect is going to be very cool, but also very easy. We are going to recreate the clone shot. The first thing that you need is this top light. This will recreate the same mood as Travis Scott has. Then we also added a backlight to give some extra depth, but this is an extra and not mandatory. Next, place your camera on something high and aim downward. Then start the shot with your actor placed in the middle, take a green screen and hold it behind your actor. Now for the begin position, your actor can look straight in the camera, hold this pose for 20 seconds, and now you can move on. What you now need to do is let your actor stand in different spots across your entire framing, and he can do whatever he wants. Now really take enough shots, like maybe 30 different spots or so. And to make it yourself easy, work on lines. Film a position and take a step to the side. Then do this over and over again, and also step backwards or forwards to start a new line. And guys, of course, move your green screen along with your actor and keep that green screen properly lit. We created a movable light setup with these Aperture MC lights. They are super portable, they pack a punch, and they are RGB. Watch this. Wait, yeah, okay, this way. Oh yeah, by the way, don't forget to take an empty shot. Then in Premiere Pro or in After Effects, they will both work for this effect. You just stack all your clips you have above the empty shot. Then you mask every clip so that you only have your actor. Remove the green with your keying effect, and now we will have way too much Lorenzos. Way too much.
Personally, I think there's never too much Lorenzos. Like, never. Anyways, the second effect is going to be a little bit more creepy because we are going to create the eye removal, which honestly is fairly easy if your light doesn't change. Then you can just use the clone stamp tool in After Effects and paint everything away. But what if your light does change, like in their effect? Well, let me show you. First, we are going to make our shot, and we did it in the same style as they did. But honestly, the setup doesn't really matter. Just make sure that you are filming an actor with a frontal view, and preferably have an actor with a big forehead. Hey! And of course, don't let them move too much. Now do a light change and do whatever you want. Go crazy. And then it's time to open up After Effects. Take your clip and drag it in the timeline. First thing we are doing is pre-comping the clip, so that our reverse stabilization will definitely work. Select your pre-comped layer and put a warp stabilizing on it. Set the result to no motion, the method to position, scale and rotation, and when the tracking is done, you can change the objective to reversible stabilization. After this, enable the track points under the advanced tab and remove every tracking point that isn't on the actor's face. After you remove the unnecessary tracking points, duplicate your layer and again pre-comp it. This duplicate we will use to remove the eye switch, so use smaller parts of the forehead and cheeks together with a feathered mask to place over the eye. Repeat this multiple times until both eyes are removed. Then draw a black shape layer where your eyes were to give it some more depth. Make sure to lower the opacity of this shape and blur it a bunch. Now go back to your original clip and copy the warp stabilization effect. After this, select everything and pre-comp it all. On this new pre-comp, we are going to paste the warp stabilization effect. But we have to change the objective from reversible stabilization to reverse stabilization. And we also have to enable the collapse transformation option right here. And that's it.
Oh, thank God, it was just a dream. And I'm so lucky to have a Storyblocks subscription as well. What? You don't know what a Storyblocks subscription is? Well, follow me and let me take you onto a magical ride.
Whoa! Well guys, the magical Storyblocks video offers you everything you need as a professional video editor. You can find 4K high-quality stock clips in various categories like landscapes, animals, drone shots, people, anything that you desire. And aside from that, there are also magical things like overlay effects, backgrounds, visual effects, and even custom transitions. But what makes that place the most magical of all is probably their After Effects templates. There are thousands, if not tens of thousands of After Effects templates that you can choose from and simply get yourself an awesome logo animation, a title sequence, or anything else with a snap of a finger. So go check it out, guys. You can find it down there on Earth or down in the description below. And you know what, guys? There's just a single price per year, and with that, you can download the entire library. Janik? Hey, that's my bed. Janik, get out of there. Bring me down. How can I get down from here? Guys, come on.
Don't mind Jordy, he's in his VR world again. Yeah, we lost him. But like you saw, we are going to create the bed floating effect. And again, this is going to be easy peasy lemon squeezy. First of all, we need 2 shots. The first shot is going to be our empty shot, or better yet, the bed shot. So create a scene with a bed, or just go to your bedroom. Next up, we need a jib, because we are going to do a camera lift movement. Aim your camera at the bed and move it up. And that's it. You don't even have to pull focus. If you don't have a jib, you can always use a slider mounted vertically on a tripod. Or you can use a rope, or you can even use a scissor lift if you want to be really extra. Just be creative. And then it's time for our second shot, which is going to be our green screen shot. Place your green screen on the floor and your actor can now hover over the green screen. Again, create a top shot and then your actor can act like he is asleep, floating upwards. Then the only thing you need to do is open up Premiere Pro and place your empty shot on the bottom and the green screen shot on top. Now key out the green and voila, you're done.
Time for Janik's Fun Fact Fountain! Now of course we can talk about how Travis Scott vomits when he eats sour cream, but that's not for today. Today we are going to talk about film grain. Like you probably noticed, the music video was quite grainy. But where does this come from? Well, this dates back from the older cameras, when everything was shot on film. These older camera films had grain due to the random physical texture made from small metallic silver particles who catch light. That's difficult. You can also go to Storyblocks video and just download some film grain. And that was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you Storyblocks video for the support. And like always, stay creative.
Wow. Look at Janik. He's hugging me. Look how much Janik loves me, guys. Look at that. That's probably because I haven't paid him yet. Oh, mama's heavy.